I'm going to make my favorite chili sauce, which is kind of a Fresno Romesco hybrid. And I'm not saying you have to make this exact sauce. Maybe you have your own favorite recipe, but I do think this one is pretty good. But also I want to show what a great environment the wood oven is for roasting peppers. Roasting this way softens the texture and adds a really wonderful sweetness and smokiness to their flavor. I think this sauce makes a great addition to roasted vegetables, roasted meats, and it also makes a great dip. So I've placed my fire to the side, mainly because I want the peppers within easy reach while I'm roasting them. And for the ingredients, I have 1 red bell pepper, 4 Fresno chilies, about 55 grams of hazelnuts, 1 tablespoon of paprika, some sherry vinegar, 6 cloves of garlic with enough olive oil to cover them, and the zest from 1 orange. And I like my chili sauce hot, but not overwhelming. If you really want to ramp it up, you can always use a habanero, a serrano, or even some Thai chilies. So I'm going to begin by placing the garlic and olive oil in the oven opening, just so it gets some gentle heat. That will soften the garlic and flavor the olive oil, rather like making a confit. Next, I'll add the bell pepper. And then the Fresno chilies. And I'm going to roast them until the skin is evenly charred and blistered all over. Once all the peppers are blackened, I'm going to put them on a cutting board and then cover them with a bowl. I'm going to let these steam for about 15 minutes. The steam will loosen the skin and make them easier to peel. So while the peppers are steaming, I'm going to toast the hazelnuts. Toasting them will bring out their natural flavor and make it easier to remove the skin. Then I'm going to add them to a kitchen towel and rub them to remove the skin. And I'm going to save 1 or 2 of these for decoration. Now that the peppers have had time to steam, I'm going to peel off the charred skin, starting with the bell pepper. And then the Fresno peppers. Keeping about half the seeds for the level of heat I'm looking for. When all the ingredients are ready, I'll start by grinding the hazelnuts in a food processor until they have the consistency of cornmeal. Then add all the peppers. The cloves of garlic and about 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. The paprika, about 1 tablespoon of the sherry vinegar, and then grate in the orange zest. Then grind all the ingredients together, but not completely smooth because I still want some texture to the sauce. So it starts off sweet, and then the heat creeps up on you, but it's not overwhelming. So I really like the consistency this is right now, but if I want to loosen this up, like to drizzle over some vegetables, then I'll add a little bit more vinegar. Anyway, give this a try and let me know what you think.